Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we are going to be making vegan eggnog. Ever since I was a little girl, I would look forward to the holidays because I could get my eggnog fix. I loved when the eggnog came out in the grocery store. So now I'm going to share with you my vegan version of my holiday favorite eggnog. Here we have all of our ingredients. We have 1 avocado, 1 banana, 1 can of full fat coconut milk. I have drained out the liquid, so all you have left is the actual coconut. We have 1.5 cups of almond milk, or any milk alternative you'd like. Coconut milk might work well also. 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and a little bit of spices. We have 2 teaspoons of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon mixed in here. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to just put in a little dash of cloves right before we blend it. So we're going to mix all of these things into the blender here, starting with our coconut can. It's best to use a full fat instead of reduced fat because you want the thick creaminess from the coconut. Then we're going to have the creaminess from the avocado. Don't worry, you will not taste the avocado in this recipe. This is there just for texture. We're going to put our banana in. You can add a frozen banana if you want it a little bit frothier, or just room temperature banana is fine. 1.5 cups of almond milk. Again, any milk alternative will do just fine. We have 1/2 cup of maple syrup as our sweetener. Our mix of spices here. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just a little sprinkle of cloves. Or 2 little sprinkles of cloves. We're going to put it in the blender. It shouldn't take too long to blend, maybe about 30 seconds. And it's best to have this pretty fresh. It smells like eggnog. Nice and creamy. You can have a little glass with a dash of nutmeg on top. And there you have it, just in time for the holidays, your homemade vegan coconut eggnog.